The screen glass for the Samsung Galaxy S25 and S25 Ultra has leaked once more. Tipster Ice Universe shared a series of images revealing what is claimed to be the screen panel for Samsung's next flagship devices. Leaked glass images offer a glimpse of the front design of the Galaxy S25 Ultra and S25. Both devices will feature punch-hole display cutouts, along with Samsung's thinnest bezels to date. The standard Galaxy S25 will sport a 6.2-inch display, while the S25 Ultra will come with a 6.9-inch screen. The former keeps the same size as the S24, but the Ultra's display increases by 0.1 inches. Samsung's S25 Ultra will offer improved long-term comfort, as it's designed to be slightly taller and narrower, making it easier to handle and navigate the screen. The Galaxy S25 could dominate the small flagship category in the market, providing pro-level specs while maintaining portability without sacrificing features. From my experience with recent Ultra models, I noticed the sharp corners pressing into my palm. The shift to a flat display was brilliant, and now the subtle curve adjustments are another smart move by Samsung. Following a detailed look at the Galaxy S25 Ultra's design, its color choices have now surfaced in new leaks. It's almost a certainty that the Galaxy S25 Ultra will feature a titanium side frame. But what colors will be available for the device? According to renowned tipster Ice Universe at Universe, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to launch in 4 color options: black, blue, green, and titanium. However, these are merely the standard color choices, and it's likely that Samsung will offer additional colors through its website. While black, blue, and titanium closely resemble the colors of the Galaxy S24 Ultra, green appears to be a new addition. It's still uncertain whether Samsung will opt for a light or dark shade of green, but a darker hue would certainly be intriguing. The Korean tech giant is set to release the Galaxy S25 series early next year. As the launch date approaches, we can expect to hear much more about these highly anticipated flagships. That's it for today. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comments section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.